Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Don't wait until you are rich to be happy. Happiness is free. You need the right people with you, not the best people. Nobody cares about your story until you win. So win. Protect your peace. Don't let people know too much about you. You need you more than you need them. Trust me. Take your time, recharge, and come back stronger. Thou must gather thine own sunshine. Your perception is your reality. The biggest asset in the world is your mindset. Life is progress, not an event. Behind every successful person, there are a lot of unsuccessful years. More is lost by indecision than wrong decision. The obstacle is the path. Success is no accident. It requires consistent hard work every day. Don't complain. Enjoy the pain. Simplify everything in your life. Focus on what matters most. The best things in life happen unexpectedly. If I fall, I rise back up. If I fail, I try again. With self-discipline, you can achieve so many great things. Suffer the pain of discipline or suffer the pain of regret. You cannot change what you are, only what you do. An easy way to get people to like you is to make them laugh. If you are not doing what you love, you are wasting your time. It's easy to fool the eye, but it is hard to fool the heart. Don't judge the picture by the frame. Every man is not the same. Some people will talk to you in their free time, and some people free their time to talk to you. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.